Why do you need an ITIN to open a bank account? Have you ever wondered why an individual taxpayer identification number is so important for opening a bank account? If you are part of a Latino family or an immigrant, this question is especially relevant. Let's break it down. In the United States, banks typically requiring a social security number to open an account. However, many immigrants do not qualify for a social security number. This is where the individual taxpayer identification number comes in as a helpful alternative. It allows banks to verify your identity, which is a legal requirement when opening accounts. For many Latino families, having an individual taxpayer identification number means access to essential banking services. This is crucial for managing finances, budgeting within multi-generational households, and sending remittances back home. Without a bank account, it can be challenging to handle these financial tasks effectively. The individual taxpayer identification number also plays a role in complying with federal regulations. These regulations are designed to prevent fraud and money laundering. Since many immigrants do not have a social security number, the individual taxpayer identification number provides a way to meet these requirements and open a bank account. In addition to helping you open a bank account, the individual taxpayer identification number is useful for tax purposes. It allows individuals to file U.S. tax returns and claim tax benefits when eligible. This is particularly important for immigrant families who earn income in the United States but do not have a social security number. To apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, you need to submit Internal Revenue Service Form W-7 along with proof of identity and foreign status. This process is straightforward and can help you gain access to banking services. Having a bank account linked to an individual taxpayer identification number also helps Latino families manage their money more securely. It makes it easier to send remittances abroad and plan significant family events like quinceañeras. Plus, it opens doors to financial aid or credit building opportunities that requiring a U.S. bank account. While some banks may accept other forms of identification, such as passports or foreign identification cards, having an individual taxpayer identification number broadens your banking options. It simplifies the process and aligns with the goal of financial inclusion for immigrant families. In summary, having an individual taxpayer identification number is essential for opening a bank account in the United States if you do not have a social security number. It not only helps you access banking services, but also supports your financial well-being and participation in the U.S. financial system.